I believe that Pika has the potential to become the #1 crypto gaming project in this bull run, and I bet that if you watch this video until the end, you will feel the exact same way. I recently spoke about Pika on this channel just a few weeks ago, but since then, the project has made a lot of moves, and there is a lot to cover in this update video. So if you are a holder of Pika, or you are on the fence about buying, then you need to watch this video until the end. For those who don't know, Pika is a gaming token for the game Pika. Pika is a play-to-earn metaverse game based on multiplayer online battle arena dynamics. The game tasks players with assembling the strongest team of Pika NFTs. Now, if you want a full introduction to the coin, then check out the video card on screen now. Just before we get into the news update, let's take a look at the charts and see what price Pika is sitting at and where I think it could go in the coming days and weeks. So currently we can see that Pika's price is 0.002, with a market cap of $15.5 million and a fully diluted valuation of $104 million. Now I have drawn up a quick chart to show what I think Pika could do in the short term. I currently think Pika has a great entry here right now, as shown by this blue rectangle. This was a great place to get into Pika after the first drop, and I think history will repeat itself. If you aren't in already, this is a great price to get in. Pika is currently on a downtrend right now, but it will likely rebound when it hits the demand area shown by the blue rectangle. We know this from the previous 2 times it has dipped into the demand zone and has bounced back out. We could then see Pika bouncing and retesting previous all-time highs quite soon. Depending on market conditions, it could either completely break out there and go on to make new all-time highs, or it could bounce down. And hopefully we see the middle line becoming support, and Pika could consolidate there before bouncing and making new all-time highs. Right now, from technical analysis, it looks like Pika is at a great entry, especially for what is coming in the next few months with the project, as Pika still has a huge amount of upside potential. Keep watching to find out what price I predict Pika could reach this year and how much you could make if you were to invest $1,000 at the current price. But in terms of fundamental analysis and the development of Pika, what has happened since our last update? Let's get into it. First up, Pika staking is coming soon. It will offer 3 different locking periods, which are 3 months, 6 months, and 12 months. The APY rates range from 12% for 3 months, 28.68% for 6 months, and 77% for 12 months. Early stakers can get a 200% return on investment, which is insanely good. The staking also works on a curve, so the more people that stake total value locked, the rewards drop. Therefore, if fewer people are staking, heightened rewards early. For those that don't know, crypto staking is like putting your money in a savings account but with cryptocurrency. By locking up some of your digital coins for a while, you help the network to operate smoothly, and in return, you get more coins as a reward. Kind of like earning interest. Now, another development is that the Pika Hub is coming. They announced this on Twitter, where they said the Pika Moon Hub is coming. Join the newsletter to know when Pika staking and more will go live. As you can see from the video on screen, the Pika Hub will be a simple dashboard where you can see details about Pika's price, look at your staking, get access to the beta, use the marketplace, and a few other things. You will also be able to make an account easily. There is a leaderboard. Now, Pika battle system is currently Web 2, but soon about to be Web 3 with the launch of Pika Hub. With this play-to-earn features will start to be introduced. Players rank each month on the leaderboard and receive payouts to their accounts depending on where they finish. Now let's talk about the development of the game. Pika is currently a 2D game, but they are soon introducing a 3D battle arena, which will improve the graphics and overall experience of the game. New characters and fighting animations are being added, as well as improved game mechanics. More NFTs are coming, and there are million-dollar esports tournaments on the way for top players and holders. This is huge, as big esports tournaments will attract more gamers to the project. Another interesting development is that the open-world trailer could be coming very soon. This will provide more insight and will bring more eyes and hype to the project. Another bullish development is that Pika is now listed on CoinGecko and CoinMarketCap. This might not seem like a huge deal, but it is very good, as it means Pika is more accessible to retail investors. Pika is also a deflationary token, and 0.5% of each transfer and sell order is burned forever. The team also recently burned over $100,000 worth of Pika tokens that they held. This is good, as it lowers the supply of the coin, which means each token can be worth more, whilst the token maintains the same market cap. In other news, Pika is in talks with some big influencers, including people with over 1,000 followers on Twitter. When these big influencers get on board, it will take Pika to the next level and help it to compete with the top 100 coins. Bearing in mind, Pika has already onboarded a massive amount of crypto influencers. Another thing to take notice of is that all pre-sale investors who hold their Pika until mint will get an NFT for free, which incentivizes people to hold their tokens. There were also no VCs, meaning no early pre-sale whales can dump, and the pre-sale tokens have a vesting period, so people who will be up a lot already need to hold their tokens for another little while. The team's tokens are also locked for 36 months. All of this is good because it means there won't be mass sell-off at any point, and will keep a steady floor price on the project. Now, if you want to get rewards by simply supporting Pika, then join their Discord and check out their Zeely. This is essentially where you can complete a bunch of tasks like following them on Twitter, liking posts, and a bunch of other things. It's free to get access to this, and you can earn some rewards simply by supporting the project. There are a lot of reasons to be bullish on Pika right now. With the open world trailer coming soon and rumors of more exchanges listing Pika, it is clear that now looks like a good time to get some Pika tokens. If you want to buy Pika, all you have to do is use MEXC or BitGet Exchange. If you prefer to keep your money away from centralized exchanges, you can just buy Pika through Uniswap the same way you would buy any other Ethereum chain token. But what is my price prediction for Pika? Right now, from looking at the team, the project itself, and all of these developments, I really believe that Pika will become the #1 crypto gaming project. I am heavily invested at current prices because Pika is still in its very early stages. Think of just a few months ahead when Pika game is completed and released to the public with play-to-earn features. They have an in-game economy with Pika tokens and NFTs. Pika will be available on all exchanges. They will have more marketing, and whilst all of this happening, there will be massive amounts of Pika being burned. I think this all lines up perfectly as the crypto gaming industry could be approaching a massive bull run, and this gives Pika the potential to get into the multi-billion-dollar market caps, as we saw with a variety of projects last crypto gaming bull run like Axie Infinity, Sandbox, and Illuvium. I think Pika could match these projects, and with its comparatively low market cap, the room for growth and potential profits on Pika is massive. Now let's use comparisons to set some price targets for Pika. So currently Axie Infinity is at a market cap of $1.3 billion, and it peaked at $10 billion in the last crypto bull run. Illuvium is currently at a market cap of $778 million, and it peaked at $1.1 billion in the last crypto bull run. So let's set 4 price targets, 1 short term, and the 3 others will be comparative to Axie Infinity and Illuvium. The first price target we will set is $500 million, the second $750 million, the third at $1 billion, and then a final bullish target of $10 billion, as this is what Axie Infinity reached in the last crypto bull run. Now let's calculate how much you could make from all the possible price targets using the crypto profit calculator. This means if you were to invest $1,000 at the current price, and the project was to hit the $500 million market cap, you could make up to $32,000 in profit. Moving on to the second price target. Using the crypto profit calculator, this means if you were to invest $1,000 at the current price, and the project was to hit a $750 million market cap, you could make up to $46,000 in profit. Moving on to the third price target. Using the crypto profit calculator, this means if you were to invest $1,000 at the current price and the project was to hit a $1 billion market cap, you could make up to $66,000 in profit. Moving on to the fourth price target. Using the crypto profit calculator, this means if you were to invest $1,000 at the current price and the project was to hit a $10 billion market cap, you could make up to $670,000 in profit. Now, of course, this is the using the token's market cap. Over time, more tokens will be unlocked, and the market cap will reflect more closely on the fully diluted valuation. And these are just speculative targets. I recommend setting your own target for your own trade and situation. Now, if you want to get links to Pika, just check out the links in the description. But if you want to learn more about the project, then check out both of the videos on screen now. Thank you for watching.